Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review ING Online Banking. ING provides a comprehensive digital banking experience, allowing you to manage your finances entirely online or through their intuitive mobile application. We'll explore the key features that make ING a popular choice for many, from easy account setup to seamless transaction processing. Understand how this online-only model benefits users and what you can expect from their services. ING stands out with its competitive interest rates, often higher than traditional banks, making it attractive for savers. The platform is designed for ease of use, offering a smooth and secure experience for all your banking needs. However, a key consideration is the lack of physical branches, which might not suit everyone. This online-only model means customer support is primarily digital or over the phone. One of ING's significant advantages is its fee structure, with many accounts offering no monthly maintenance fees, saving you money. You can access your accounts and perform transactions around the clock, whether through their website or the highly rated mobile app. While ING provides ATM access, its network might not be as widespread as some larger, traditional banks, so planning withdrawals is sometimes necessary. So, is ING Online Banking worth it? For those comfortable with digital platforms and seeking competitive rates and low fees, ING offers a compelling option. It's particularly well-suited for individuals who manage their finances primarily online and don't require frequent in-person branch visits. Consider your personal banking style and needs to determine if this online-only approach aligns with you. And speaking of making life easier, if you're looking to streamline your daily routine, check out these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers. You can find the link for these and other great affiliate deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.